to Living in the Dark.
Outside of the trains exhibit at North Park Center, and this is something I have been dying to do for this year, so hopefully we'll get some good footage to follow, and I'll see you guys on the other side of this.
With her review.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. So, right now we're looking at like a Christmas train one. Do you want to have your Meta describe it?
Yeah. Hey Meta. This will work. Nope, they won't work. Hey Meta. They won't tell me.
It's too loud in here. I can describe it to the best of my ability. Basically, it's got a lit up Christmas tree and there's like a white train going around the track, around the entire tree. Can you hear it?
Yep.
Now, we're passing what looks like benches. Not benches, but
yeah.
Now,
Hey, oh, Laura, come here. There's another one coming up. If I look this way, I should get it.
this one's like a white or a black train going on a track. Looks like a town of like white houses and stuff.
Oh, cool. I just snapped a picture, so I don't know if I got anything, but we'll find out later. These are actually getting video, yeah? Yes.
I am.
Yep.
Yeah, we are. So it's just going down a long track. Right now the scenery looks like a bunch of mountains. It looks like all made out of brick.
Oh, wow.
Oops, sorry. And it's kind of rounded, the track is. So right now it looks like a bunch of snowy mountains.
Here comes another one.
This train, it's black with a bunch of different colored cars, blue, white, orange. Orange is the caboose.
This is cool. That's cool. The display case on your right, so just... And this is where the train is, you can hear it.
Here's another one going by that's got some more colors, it's small. Actually, no, that one's a long one. It's got like white, blue, orange, a little bit of brown. Are you having fun?
Coming around the display case, so... Another video?
Yep. Now it looks like just a bunch of trains on display.
Huh?
Some trains in their cases on display.
Oh, nice.
You actually want to see the moving ones, right?
Huh?
You actually want to see the moving ones, right?
Yeah. But describe the ones on display so we
I
can...
can't really see them. They're reflected through the case.
Oh, okay.
Um, I don't know how we... Okay, now we're coming to another case. To our left.
Oh, wow.
It looks like another village setup. Doesn't look like these ones are moving though.
Yeah, these are. The ones on the left coming up with the right start. See? Right there.
Yeah. Oh, well, that looks cool. It looks like a New York skyline.
Oh,
From what
wow.
I can see. Yeah, we'll go through them.
Yeah. god, how cool.
Now that one's a black train, a small one, looks like a 2-car one. And then there's a white one that just went by, kind of looks like the Polar Express.
Oh wow.
Now, just so you guys know, I'm doing these for her videos. They are my descriptions. Okay, this one looks like it's a winter wonderland with a train going around it.
Yes.
That's the Polar Express train that's passing by.
Oh, cool.
You're okay. We're passing by. And there it goes again. And there's one that's paused. It's like a big caboose.
Good. Yeah, we're okay. Here, skip behind me. Yeah, there you go.
More like rocky landscapes. Oh look, something else looks like the White House.
Nice. Do you have the video again?
Not yet. More villages with like covered in white.
Oh wow.
Another Christmas tree.
Another video?
Yep. Now it looks like just a bunch of trains on display.
Huh?
Some trains in their cases on display.
Oh, nice.
You actually want to see the moving ones, right?
Huh?
You actually want to see the moving ones, right?
Yeah. But describe the ones on display so we
I
can...
can't really see them. They're reflected through the case.
Oh, okay.
Um, I don't know how we... Okay, now we're coming to another case. To our left.
Oh, wow.
It looks like another village setup. Doesn't look like these ones are moving though.
Yeah, these are the ones on the left coming up with the great star. See? Right there.
Yeah. Oh, well, that looks cool. It looks like a New York skyline.
Oh,
From what I
wow.
can see. Yeah, we'll go through them.
Yeah. Oh my god, how cool.
Now that one's a black train, a small one, looks like a 2-car one. And then there's a white one that just went by, kind of looks like the Polar Express.
Oh wow.
Now, just so you guys know, I'm doing these for her videos. They are my descriptions. Okay, this one looks like it's a winter wonderland with a train going around it.
Yes.
That's the Polar Express train that's passing by.
Oh, cool.
You're okay. We're passing by. And there it goes again. And there's one that's paused. It's like a big caboose.
We're good. Yeah, we're okay. Here, skip behind me. Yeah, there you go.
More like rocky landscapes. Oh look, something else looks like the White House.
Nice. Do you have the video again?
Not yet. More villages with like covered in white.
Oh wow.
Another Christmas tree. We've seen these ones, so I'm just going to take us past this display. Excuse us?
There's some moving ones coming up.
Hold on. We got another. Excuse me. Christmas tree coming up. We'll go around this way.
There's one right there.
This is another Christmas display. This might be the Lego one. It kind of looks like.
Oh, cool.
It's a small one. No. Well, it's a big train set, but it's around a small display.
Wow, cool. I'll have a Lego train around the tree sometimes. Are you still videoing?
Yes.
Awesome.
Another wintry scene.
Huh?
Another wintry scene. These are all wintry.
Oh, nice.
The train's not moving at the moment on this one though. I can't really tell what it is. Now let's go around this display. Now this one is kind of mysterious.
There's one.
Hang on, let's see if I can see what it looks like. I can't really describe this one because it's like a lot of black, white, and gray.
Nice.
Hold on. We gotta go around.
Knocking up going to the right a little.
No, this is the Lego one right here. The one that we passed.
Yep.
What?
The Lego train's back behind
Right.
us.
No, it's right here.
Oh, there's one here too.
No, that is the one.
Nice. Is it a
That's
big
the one
train?
we saw. Yeah, that's the first one we saw. The one we saw about 5 minutes ago.
Uh-huh.
That's the one.
Oh, okay.
The one that's going around the small display. There's a lot of presents under the tree that we didn't see on the other side. Now we're at one that's kind of zigzag, the track is.
Oh.
And a big tree in the background.
Wow.
Looks like it's Santa's workshop.
Oh, cool.
Train isn't going around it yet, so let's go down to our right.
Okay.
I think this might be our last one. What's up?
Oh, I was going to get better to describe it.
Meta won't because...
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're pretty much done. It looks like, anyway.
This one's coming up here.
I don't know if we can go down this hall. Yes, we can. Oh, yeah. Here's another display. Okay, there's more than I thought.
Huh?
There's more than I thought.
Nice.
There's this one big one, so I think this might be the end.
Wow.
Oh, that's cute.
What?
Kind of looks like a gingerbread house, sort of.
Uh-huh.
The train that's going around it looks like it's dusted in snow.
Oh, wow.
Because it's like a white with a dusty, or it's red with like a dust of white on top. Oh, there's two going around it. Okay. That's a long one. That's why it looks like there's two. It's really long.
Nice.
Like more than 6 feet.
Wow.
Let's see if we can go down and see more of the village. Looks like a gingerbread village
Oh, that is cool.
covered in mountains.
Wow.
There goes the train again. It's pretty fast.
Yeah, they are pretty quick.
More stores, is what it looks like. No, yeah, it is one long one, but it's fast and it goes around twice.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty. Here's another Christmas tree. Posters and stuff of trains.
They think we're coming to the end.
Yeah.
I think I will.
Yeah, you guys, I think we're at the end.
What?
We're at the end.
Nice.
Okay, we will do a review of all this stuff when we're done.
Yep. That's awesome. Hey guys, we are actually back home at the house now, and I hope you all have had a happy new year. Ours has been wonderful. Trains was really cool. Unfortunately, the glasses were not much help because of the noise in the environment. There were a lot of kids and just the noise of the trains, but thank you, Ashley, for your audio descriptive help, and it was a lot of fun. It was a pretty long exhibit, and like I said, she was really good at describing them, so I had a lot of fun with the trains, and I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as we've enjoyed putting it together for you. Happy New Year. We'll see you in a little bit.